Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash, and today, well, I've got one. It's been out for a little while, and it's a re-release of an older kit, but it's a neat old kit, and, well, let's just get into this. It is the Stranger Things 1979 Camaro Z28. Now, we looked at the K5 Blazer not too long ago that came in the series, and it's awesome. Let's take a look at this because I'm a little bit curious. I have built the Revell version of this, well, not exactly this one, but the Camaro before. And let's see how this one stacks up as far as its options. So here is the side of the box and this side of the box. And starts out with, we've got the T-tops. That's good. I don't remember if I put T-tops in my other one or not. But this version is not supposed to have it, but it is an option, which is nice. The body is great. These Revell kits I thoroughly enjoy. So it's got the Z28 vents on the side, which it's supposed to have, and it's got molded in the Z28 rear spoiler. The tires are just good old generic these things, which for stock tires, which is what was in the show, that would be great as well. One bag of plastic. So let's see what's in this one bag of plastic. And first off, we have a hood, a Z28 hood. We've got the bucket seats, the nose for the Z28, stock air cleaner, and a pathetic intake manifold with a carburetor molded in. Here is our interior tub. It looks like 1979, let's see, copyright, 1979 Revell monogram, blah, 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 made in China. So, from the original 79 mold. The engine halves, the dashboard, steering wheel, exhaust manifold, shocks, you name it. Now we've got some interesting parts here. It's got, like 3 sets of rims. So we've got a set of, these are kind of a spoked rims. I want to say they're Enkis, if I'm saying that right. We've got some center lines. Yuck, we all know how I feel about those. And then we've got the stock Z28 rims down here on the bottom. I like those. Got a grill, stick shift, and it looks like we have a blower pulley, a blower housing, and a blower hat if we wanted to do a blown engine. Pretty cool. The exhaust is molded into the into the rear axle, which okay, I mean, it is what it is, but the pan itself isn't too terrible. And then we have an optional blower manifold, fire extinguisher, a stock hood. Yay, this is what should be for this particular model. And we have a hood for a blown version, which is pretty neat. And that's all the plastic we've got. So not a lot of plastic to it, which I'm going to like. but definitely some options. And then for your for your optional decals here, got some nice blue graphics, orange graphics. Yeah, all for the Z28. We've got some radial TA decals for the tires. There you go. And then just other engine compartment markings. It looks like we've got stuff for the dashboard, which is nice. The radio and the instrumentation. Yay for us. That'll be nice. So we've got options. And to build this, you know, it's got the stock hood here. Doesn't have the nice Z28 hood on this particular model. Also does not have the T-tops. So I've got to decide how I want to build this. If I want to build it as per the movie, or if I just want to have fun like I did before with the Z28. So Revell Germany instructions, definitely. Oh my gosh. The instruction book in about 1,000 different languages. And your parts breakdown. Again, pretty simple as far as the parts go. On those center lines, though, going back to those center lines, it looks like there's only only two center lines in this thing, not 4. Am I wrong? Yeah, that's all there is. Interesting. So you're not putting center lines on it. I can just tell you that. Okay. Oh, because it's for a drag version that, okay. I got it. The Stranger Things Z28 paint job. You got your stock Z28 there, kind of a street version, and then the race version. So, putting your tires and rims together. The rear suspension, jacking it up a bit, that's kind of neat. Again, tire and wheel combos, getting your engine put together, and then deciding what you're going to put on your engine, which engine you're going to run. Putting the engine in, painting up your dashboard, which, yes, there is a lot of painting to the interior of this to get it nice. Racing interior, and then putting that together, just slipping the body on. So pretty darn simple. Your markings, a lot of different, real nice, colorful page on how to get your markings on. So, yeah, definitely have some options and some decisions to make before I build this and paint it. Because the last one, whoa, I just knocked you guys on your side. The last one that I did in a, darn, having issues. The last one I did, I painted blue. I believe I made it a Z28. And I can't remember if I did the T-tops or not. So I've got to make some decisions on what I really want to do with this. But it's a 79 Z28, and even if you're not into Camaros, if you're a Ford guy, you got to admit, these are a good looking car. This body style is quite good looking. So, anyway, there you go, the Stranger Things Camaro. Thanks for joining us this week, and we'll see you again soon on the Kit Hoarder Stash.